Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing the image into your Android Studio project and preparing the required APIs. Open res/drawable or assets and place the original PNG or JPG. Make sure the file name is lowercase and underscores. Then add the chosen method dependency, render script, MLKit, or a custom bitmap shader to build. Gradle and sync. Once done, create an image view in your layout and give it an ID. This immediate preparation ensures you can modify pixels programmatically without layout surprises, so you can proceed to code next. Now you'll write the code that replaces background pixels with transparency. First, decode the image into a mutable bitmap using Bitmap Factory or load it with Glide into a bitmap drawable. If using segmentation, run the ML model to obtain a mask array, otherwise implement color keying or edge detection to build an alpha mask. Then iterate pixels, where mask indicates background, set pixel to color. Transparent, otherwise preserve original color. Finally create a new bitmap with config. argb 8888 and copy masked pixels so the image view can display a transparent background. Finish by applying the resulting bitmap to your image view or writing it out as a PNG to preserve alpha. Use bitmap, compress bitmap, compress format, PNG 100 outstream to save. Make sure to optimize memory, downscale large images, use in bitmap where possible, and call recycle on temporary bitmaps. If the background isn't removed, check the mask generation logic, verify your model input size, and confirm min SDK and render script compatibility. If colors bleed, tweak thresholds or refine segmentation. These checks fix most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.